Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a desktop shortcut for sticky notes on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, right-click on any empty area of your desktop. This will bring up a context menu with several options that allow you to customize your desktop and create new items. From this menu, hover your cursor over New and you'll see another submenu appear. In that submenu, click on Shortcut. This opens up the Create Shortcut wizard, which will guide you through the process of making your desktop shortcut. Now you'll see a window that asks you to type the location of the item you want to create a shortcut for. In the text field provided, you'll need to type a specific command that tells Windows to launch sticky notes. I'll put this exact command in the notepad during the video, and it will also be available in the description below, so you can easily copy it from there. Make sure you type it exactly as shown to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the command, click Next at the bottom of the window. This takes you to the final step of the shortcut creation process, where you can give your shortcut a custom name. In the name field, replace the existing text with sticky notes. This makes it easy to recognize what the shortcut does when you see it on your desktop. After renaming it, click Finish to complete the setup. The shortcut wizard will close, and you'll immediately see your new sticky notes icon appear on your desktop. Now, to make sure everything is working correctly, go ahead and click on the sticky notes folder you just created. If it was set up properly, the Sticky Notes app should launch right away, allowing you to start creating and managing your notes directly from your desktop. This shortcut saves you time by giving you instant access to sticky notes without having to search for it in your Start menu or taskbar. And that's it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for sticky notes on Windows, making it faster and easier to access your notes whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.